I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful, amazing, happy new month design. So without me wasting much time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also give a comment. So let's just get started. So firstly, I'm going to just hide this here. So I'll just let's just reduce it. So let's just reduce it. And then the next thing we are going to do is go straight to colors. Then tap on this color here. Then tap on the plus icon. So I want you to check the color code if you want to do the same thing as me. So just write the color code down. Then let's just go straight. So the next thing I did is to tap on shape. Then expand it. Right. You should fill the whole screen. Right. So yeah, like this. So can you see what I just did here? I just expanded the shape, right? Then I curved the edges. So let's send it to the back. So let's just run these two. Then the next thing I did is to bring in a shape here. Let's it at the down here. Like this. So tap on green. Let's choose the color here. Use the color code. So you can see the color code here as well. So yeah. So yeah, we are getting there. So this is a very simple design. And as a beginner, these are some of the designs that you need to do in. Very simple design before you go to the complex one. So the next thing I did is to bring in the brand name, the new month, and also the products. So here is it. So yeah. So I reduce it a little bit. Yeah, so that's good. So the next thing is I added a shadow. So I added a shadow. Now creating a design, somebody might ask, when you are working on design, which time do you need to add a shadow? Like anything that you are working with and you know that in reality this thing might be having a shadow, then you need to add a shadow. Imagine a human being working, you see their shadow. So the same thing for design. The same thing for design. So yeah. The same thing for design. So you need to add shadow to make it more realistic, like you see before, after, so you can see. So the shadow makes it more realistic. Then the next thing we are going to do is just import this, then go to relative position, drag it to fit the whole screen, then send it to the back of the image. So can you see we are getting there? So the next thing we are going to do is to also import this. These are the footage. So just this relative position to make it big to fit the whole screen. Now it's left with one thing. So this is one of the things that make the design look beautiful. The spice. So this is it at the top here. You can see this thing over here. So I also imported it. So imported it. So I imported it. Then I changed the color using color filters. So that's what I did. That's what I did. So here's it here. Alright, so can you see? Now this is very um while doing this you need to be very smart and also creative. For example, for me, I use after expanding it, I use eraser to clean all the product that I might not necessarily need. So I clean all of this, right? So yeah, you can see it here. So the next thing I did is to copy it and send it to this side here. So that's the right side. So same thing. So let's just reduce this. Okay, so this one to my come to the back. So let's just lock the first one. So that we can. So you can see we are almost done. We are almost done. So if you can see that this is so near to this. Like there's one thing about designing, which is the principles of design. So when you're working on a design, you need to make sure that here and here, the image or the things at the center, the space between this here must be the same space between this here. So that means there's a problem here. That's true. Let's just. So you can see it's way much better. It's way much better. It's way much better. So yeah, you can see within just 7 minutes we have been able to create a beautiful, amazing design. And to be honest, majority of clients, they are not going to reject this. Even no client is going to reject it because it communicates the message. So just the last thing, I just bring in a shape, reduce the opacity, give it stroke, curve the radius a little bit. Yeah. So after that, I reduce it. So can you see? So let's just give it. So yeah, this is how I was able to achieve this. So yeah, we are already done. We are already done. So this is a design here. So all you need to do is to save it. All you need to do is to save it. So even though I did how my framework that I used to always edit my design in Lightroom, but in this design I'm going to edit it a little bit. So yeah, here's it. Here's it. So you are just going to move to color. So I'll be a little bit fast here. Yeah. So you move to color, then you drag the amount, which is title, which is sharpness. So it makes the design more sharp. So after that, you move to effects, and you drag here a little bit, drag here too, then maybe drag here too. Sometimes I give it gray, sometimes I don't give it gray. So this particular design, I'm going to give it gray. Then for the color grading, I'll move a little bit to green, then tap on the blending, the balance. So after that, I'll just go to light and maybe drag here a little bit. Yes. So we are already done before, after. before after. So yeah, thank you once again for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also give a thoughtful comment. So if you need the resources to create the design, it's only one resource. Let's just say two, this and this. I'll put a link in the description for you to join my WhatsApp community as well. Thank you once again for watching. Peace.